how to complete album in Monopoly Go. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can complete album in Monopoly Go, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to complete an album in Monopoly Go, I'm going to show you some methods that you can use to complete your albums in Monopoly Go. The first one, as you can see on screen, is to log in daily and collect the free bonus that you can find on the shop. All that you have to do is step these three lines which is at the top right hand side, and then across the shop daily there's going to be a free gift over here, right? So you can just go to the shop here, there's going to be a free gift. You can just try to redeem the free gift, and by doing so you'll be able to complete those albums over there as well. Now you have this option that you can always find inside of the app, so check deals if you're willing to spend money. Besides those two options that I've highlighted, the deals and the shop free daily gift, you can also level up your net worth to get more access to daily rewards. For example, the daily treats at net worth 25. Besides all of this, the best way to complete your albums is to exchange cards. When you tap on any card that you do not have, you will be able to select ask the group, and this will redirect you to Facebook where you can join the Monopoly Go. This way you should be able to go ahead and then complete album in Monopoly Go. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.